So now let's see how we can work around with rippling effect inside of GIMP. So in order to apply the rippling effect, first of all, you need to go around under filters right here and then go to animation. And over here you can see that there's rippling as an option. So if I were to go around over here onto rippling right here, you can go around and change the number of frames that you want to generate and change around the rippling length right here. And for the S, you can go around, make it black or smear or wrap it around. So let's just go around and wrap it around right here and press OK right here. And now what happens is that it starts generating individual frames right here, just like this. So this is an animation plugin that means you get multiple frames of data. So you can see that it is processing right here, and you can see that these are the frames right here, just like this. But you want to see the playback of it, and to see the playback of it, you can go around onto filters and then go to animation and then go to playback right here, just like this. So once you go around onto playback, then this is what you have, as you can see. So this is the animation right here. So let's just go around and resize this out right here, and then let's just go around and then let's say make it 51 right here. So now I have 10 frames per second, as you can see right here. So if I were to press play, you can see the ripple effect right here, just like this. So instead of 10, let's just go around and make it 30 right here. Then it goes and makes it much more smoother. So if I were to go around over here, just like this, this is the ripple effect. So this is what you have, as you can see right here, just like this. So you can go around over here and choose the frame per second as you like right here, just like this, and play it around right here, just like this right here. So these are the cumulative layers, as you can see right here. 1 frame per layer is also here, just like this. So you can go around and select that and press OK right here, and you get the output accordingly, as you can see right here, just like this. So this is how you can go around and then work around with it, as you can see right here, just like this. So that is how you can apply the ripple animation effect inside of GIMP and then see playback of it. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.